All right, here is question number 8. It has A and B parts. The A part reads, if x and y are the surface area and volume of a sphere respectively, and x divided by y is equal to 2 divided by 7, we're asked to find the values of x and y taking pi equal to 22 divided by 7. All right, let's get started. All right, the question said x is what? The surface area. So let me say it is equal to the area of sphere, while y is the volume. Okay, so what is the area? X equal to 4 pi r squared. This is the formula used to find the area of the sphere. Then y will be equal to the volume. We use 4 divided by 3 pi r to the third power. So these are the values. But we have seen also that x divided by y is equal to 2 divided by 7, right? So let's bring it here. X divided by y is equal to 2 divided by 7, which implies that if you cross multiply, 7x is equal to 2y. But we have seen that x is equal to this and y is equal to this. We are going to substitute them here. So we have 7 multiplied by 4 pi r squared. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 pi r to the third power. Let's break it down. 7 times 4 is 28 pi r squared, and this is equal to 8 divided by 3 pi r to the third power. So let's perform a cancellation here. You can see pi r squared can be cancelled from here, leaving only r. So we have a single r left here. Therefore, to the left we have 28, and to the right we have 8 divided by 3 r. Let us find the value of r by multiplying both sides by the reciprocal of 8 divided by 3. Therefore, r is equal to 28 multiplied by 3 divided by 8. 28 multiplied by 3 is equal to 84. And if you divide that by 8, you're going to obtain 10.5. Therefore, r is equal to 10.5. But it's not r that we are looking for, or rather x and y. Let us bring back their main equations. So this is what we have. So these are the two equations for x and y. Let's substitute pi and also the radius. So x is equal to 4 multiplied by 22 divided by 7. Remember, that's what is given to us from the question. Then multiply by 10.5 squared. So let me use my calculator, press everything direct. And x is equal to 1386 units squared. So this is the value of x. And that of y, we have y equal to 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 22 divided by 7, then multiplied by 10.5 raised to the power of 3. If you simplify all of this together, you're going to obtain y equal to 4,851 unit cube. So this is the value of y, while this is the value of x. Now let us move on to the b part. The b part is stated that we should find the equation and x-intercept of the line which is perpendicular to the line 3x plus 3y equal to 5 and also passes through the point 3, 2. All right, this is not the equation we are looking for, but that equation is said to be perpendicular to this equation. So first of all, let us arrange this equation in slope-intercept form. So 3x plus 3y equal to 5. We are going to take everything to the right hand side except y. Therefore 3y equal to negative 3x if it crosses over, plus 5. Divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to negative 3 divided by 3x plus 5 divided by 3. And therefore y is equal to negative x plus 5 divided by 3. Observe, the slope is always the coefficient of x. So m, let me call this m, equal to negative 1. So this is the slope of this equation. But the equation we are looking for is perpendicular to this. If it is perpendicular to this equation, it means that its slope will be a negative reciprocal of the slope of this function. So let me call that slope m raised to the power of t. It will be negative reciprocal of this other slope, which is going to give us 1, right? This is equal to 1. So let's apply this formula to find that equation, which is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Sorry, this is x minus x1. And this type of equation, we call it point slope form. So this is equal to y minus y1 from the point given to us. Y is 2 and x is 3. So we have 2 here, and this is equal to, remember that, okay, we have, this is our perpendicular slope. We have 1, then multiplied by x minus 3 from that point. So this is y minus 2 equal to x minus 3. Let us bring variables to the left hand side and all constants to the right hand side. We have y minus x equal to negative 3 plus 2. Therefore y minus x is equal to negative 1. So this is the equation which is perpendicular to the original equation given to us. But this is not the only question we are asked. The question also proceeds to ask us to find x-intercept, right? So we want to find x-intercept, and x-intercept is just the value of x when y is equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, we have 0 minus x equal to negative 1. You take x to the right, bring negative 1 backward. Therefore, we have positive 1 equal to x, which implies that x is equal to 1. So therefore, x-intercept is equal to 1. And this is all about question number 8. Now let us move on to question number 9.